In this video, you'll learn how to create pages in WordPress. By following these steps, you will be able to add new pages to your WordPress site efficiently and effectively. Start by navigating to the WordPress.com website. You can do this by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once the site loads, you will see various options and features available for managing your WordPress sites. Next, locate the Sites option, which is typically found in the main menu. Clicking on Sites will take you to a page that displays all the WordPress sites associated with your account. If you have multiple sites, ensure you select the one where you want to create a new page. After selecting your site button, this button may appear if your site is not fully set up. Click on Finish Setup to proceed. Once you do this, the setup process will finalize, allowing you to access the site editor. Once the setup is complete, you may see a prompt to close a setup guide or window. Click on the Close button to remove any unnecessary pop-ups. This action will direct you back to the main site editor interface where you can make changes to your site. Now look for the Add New Page option within the site editor. This option is usually prominently displayed, allowing easy access. Clicking on Add New Page will open a new interface where you can create your content. At this point, you can type in the title or content for your new page. Consider what type of page you want to create, such as a contact page or an about page. This is an important step as it defines the purpose of the page you are. After entering your content, you will need to wait for the system to generate the new page. A loading indicator may appear during this process, and it is important to be patient. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the page is generated, you will receive a confirmation that the new page has been created successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.